Bea Alonzo made a stunning solo appearance on the blue carpet of the GMA Gala 2025, held at the elegant Manila Marriott Hotel on Saturday night, August 2nd. Dressed in a breathtaking gown that perfectly highlighted her timeless beauty, Bea once again proved why she's considered one of the country's most glamorous actresses. But while all eyes were on her, fans couldn't help but wonder, where was Vincent Co? Hello community! Welcome back to our channel.
Habang tumatagal ang gabi, unti-unting lumitaw ang sagot. Sa isang Instagram story na ibinahagi mismo ng team ni Bea, isang group elevator photo, matapos ang event ang agad na umagaw ng pansin ng mapagmasid na mga tagahanga. Nakagaon pa rin at kumikislap ang ganda ni Bea, habang kasama ang kanyang handler na si Nina Ferrer, at ang kanyang pinagkakatiwalaang glam squad.
This quiet but clear presence came just hours after Bea openly confirmed at the gala that they are indeed a couple, saying it's very obvious they're together, though she chose to keep other details to herself. It turns out that Vincent was also at the hotel during the event, even if he wasn't photographed walking the blue carpet or mingling inside the ballroom. While some celebrity couples prefer the spotlight, Bea and Vincent seem to favor moments away from the public eye, showing support for each other without needing to make a grand entrance together. And for many fans, that's exactly what makes their dynamic so appealing.
Noon nagbahagi si Vincent, sa kanyang private Instagram account, ng mga vacation photo nila ni Bea sa Spain, mga larawang mabilis na kumalat online. Mula roon, mas naging madalas ang kanilang sightings. Magkasama silang nakitang dumalo sa mga Pure Gold events, pati na rin sa mga biyahe sa ibang bansa.
In fact, long before Bea's official confirmation at the GMA Gala, fans had already pieced together the clues. It became almost like a romantic mystery, one where every new sighting added to the excitement, leading up to the moment when Bea finally said the words herself.
At ngayon, sa pinakabagong elevator photo na muling naging usap-usapan, malinaw ang mensahe. Maaaring hindi madalas makita si Vincent sa publiko, pero tiyak at matatag ang kanyang suporta para kay Bea. Nandyan siya, hindi para sa mga kamera, kundi para sa kanya.
Now here's the question for you. Do you think this quiet show of support is simply their way of keeping things private? Or could it be a hint of bigger moments ahead, maybe even a wedding? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep it here for the latest updates in fashion, pageantry, showbiz, and everything in between. Remember to embrace your uniqueness and strive for greatness. This is Shale
This is Del
of Shale Del Entertainment.